What's up, guys? The Software Alpha here. So today we'll be creating our very first Java application. We're going to create a very basic Hello World application just to give you guys some introductory experience with Java. All right, so let's jump right into it. Now, what we want to do is install or open up your favorite IDE. My personal choice of IDE is IntelliJ, but you can go ahead and use Eclipse or anything else that you'd like. Go ahead and open up IntelliJ. Go ahead and click Create New Project. Go ahead and click Java up at the top and select 1.8 for the project SDK. Go ahead and click Next. Next. And then we're going to name the project Hello World App. Realistically, you can name it anything you'd like, but we're going to go ahead and name it this. Click Finish, and your project should be all created. So as you see, we have a very basic skeleton of a Java project with a source folder. The source folder is where Java is going to look for the classes that you're going to run. So let's go ahead and create our first package in the source folder. I'm going to want to right click, go to New, and click Package. So a package is pretty much a folder. A package is where you're going to store these classes, interfaces, etc. A package mainly is used to prevent collisions or conflicts in the future in regards to your code. We're going to go ahead and create a package called com.anything you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and use my last name, Johnson. And then let's go ahead and say app. In this package, we're going to right click, go to New, Java class. We're going to create our first class. Don't worry, in future videos, I'm going to go way more in depth in regards to these keywords and the terminology as regards to packages, classes, interfaces, everything. So don't worry if you don't understand something right now. We'll touch on it in the future. Go ahead and name the class the class. All right, so our class is now created. So when running a Java application, Java by default looks for a main method. A method or function is pretty much a block of code that gets executed or that can be called throughout your code. So we're going to go ahead and type in the main function. We're going to type public static void main, and then we're going to pass in a string array of args. All right, so now we have an empty main function. This is the main function. So I'll go over all of these identifiers in future videos as far as public static void goes. So let's go ahead and write our first line in the function. What you're going to want to type is system.out.print and pass in hello world. You want to end the statement with a semicolon. In Java, this tells the IDE that the line has ended. Instead of using this print method, you can actually use print line. So what this will do is it'll print what you type in the parameter as well as make a new line at the end of the statement. So this is great for formatting. What you're going to want to do to run this is right click the class file and select the class.main. Awesome. As you see in the output, but this is exactly what we wanted. Congrats, guys. You guys ran your first Java application. In future videos, we'll go way more in depth on what all of this means. But for now, consider yourself successful on writing your first Java app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That'll be about it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next video.